What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. Wanted to do a full update this weekend. There's quite a lot we need to talk about. Yesterday was a pretty volatile day. So we'll talk about all of that, and in general I'll try to prepare you as well as possible for this weekend and also the beginning of next week. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into Bitcoin specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. There's also a link to BYBIT. BYBIT is my partnered exchange. If you sign up there now, first of all, I think it's the best exchange out there, lowest fees, easy to use, looks a lot like Binance as well. And apart from that, you can get a deposit bonus, so check that out as well. But now let's actually get into Bitcoin. So the situation for Bitcoin right now is pretty difficult to analyze. First of all, that's what I would like to say. Yesterday, what we got is some bearish news, and that was the PCE price index, which is sort of an inflation, being higher than expected, causing the dollar strength index to go up, which usually means Bitcoin will go down. But yesterday we actually had some bearish pressure in the afternoon, but then we went up. So that's obviously then you're thinking, well, how does that happen? And the reason for that, and that also makes it difficult to analyze Bitcoin right now, also since we're in the middle of that area again, that area we've kind of been playing with for the last couple of weeks even. But what makes it difficult, or what happened yesterday probably, is that at the end of the week, big traders, institutions, market makers, they close their positions. And if you're in a short position, which, they might have been after a move like this, then if you close it, you buy the underlying asset, so you buy Bitcoin. So that's why I think the price went up. Same happened Friday 2 weeks ago. And what happened then is we actually got some bullish momentum all the way up until Monday, or together with Monday, and then we started dropping down. So now the big question is, can we do something like that again? And the honest answer is I don't know. The weekend, today the volume is probably going to drop down and the volatility will probably decrease as well. And we'll just kind of stabilize. But then the PCE price index was higher than expected. Dollar strength index is growing. That's bearish for Bitcoin. But then apart from that, June is starting, May is ending. May is notoriously bearish. Perhaps we can get some bullish momentum back. So in my eyes, to really summarize it all together, the fundamentals and the technicals, what we would need to have is we would need to, I would say we're in this area. All right, let me highlight that for you a bit better. And let me delete this like so. I would say we're in this area, right? So between 26,900 and 26,500. What way we're going to move is going to depend on whether we will break out of this to the downside, so have a bearish breakout or a bullish breakout. That's the main thing. If we can actually, I think at this point of time in the weekend, the most likely scenario is that we'll get some bullish momentum that will break above 26,900, which would mean, in my eyes, that we're going to go all the way up to 27,400 again. And then we'll see what happens. We'll probably find resistance. So either that is going to happen, but in the end, the economic circumstances around Bitcoin and in the world for Bitcoin are not ideal. So if we break down below that level around 26,500, it's probably over. And we're probably going to drop back down to 25,800, 26,000, and afterwards down to the levels at 25,000. So there's quite a lot at stake. This is the best way, I think, to analyze it right now. If you do have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care today and bye.